Morning people, Uncle Albert here down at DeoMix Towers. Going to talk to you today about the trial kit that we do, the DeoMix Try Before You Try Can't Speak trial kit. We're getting a lot of new followers, different types of people, not just truckers now are coming on. We've got bikers coming on, agricultural lads, we've got plant and operator machine, we've even got just general people, public that want to clean their own car. Work van lads, everybody. We're getting all sorts of followers now. So I think we sort of explain exactly what this kit does and what it doesn't do. So I'm going to explain each of the products and exactly what they do. And then if you've got any questions or answers that you need answering, you can contact me. So the first product I'm going to talk about is DeoMix 70% Cockpit Sanitizer. Now then, we've been selling cockpit sanitizer for years. And no bugger wanted it basically, but obviously with COVID, it is very much at the forefront of people's minds. This is a multi-surface cleaner. It is a alcohol-based product. It's got more than 70% in it, although it says 70% on there. World Health Organization states 65% alcohol is required to kill COVID. Uncle Albert and the team go 70%, and to be honest with you, it's 70% plus, okay? Right, it's cockpit sanitizer, it's an alcohol product, so it dries off anyway. Don't spray it straight onto the surface, okay? This is where other manufacturers have had problems with cracking glass and this and that and the other, the plastics in the trucks. We've all heard about that one. Just spray it onto your cloth. Spray it onto your cloth and just wipe it in and then wipe it away. That will get rid of germs and other cleaners and polishers that you've had on there, either over the years or if you've only used one product, it'll get rid of it. So that'll take it back to its original state when it came out of the factory. All the plastics, any rubbers, anything, just it will take it back, okay? So you're basically stripping all other cleaners away. That is DeoMix 70% alcohol cockpit sanitizer. The second product, and a product that actually works with the sanitizer product, is what was once called One Clean. Okay, One Clean, the name has been changed now for legal reasons to DeoWax. It's exactly the same product that One Clean used to do. It's what we call a 4-in-1 formula. Ted Rogers likes that, 4-in-1. It cleans, it polishes, it waxes, it air freshens. People aren't quite sure what to do with this product, so you can do everything on a hard surface, including glass. Don't put it on your windscreen, that's the only place you won't use it. Don't use it on fabric seats, use it on leather seats, I use it on mine. So you can use it inside and outside the vehicle. People like the latex mallard, for instance, he bathes in it. No, he doesn't. He cleans the outside and inside of his vehicle with one product. That's why we originally called it One Clean. It's now DeoWax. Cracking product. It's got nano wax particles in there, known as carnauba wax, if you know anything about waxers. This will repel water. It cleans, it polishes, it waxes, and it's got the most beautiful of fragrances. It's not overpowering, and it stays. So it's an air freshener as well. So 4 products, forget them. By DeoWax. All you do, you spray it onto the surface, and you wipe it with a microfiber. You'll see the crap come off onto the cloth, turn it over, buff it in. It's not one of these shiny type products that you see in a cheap taxi, you know, that's full of silicone. It's not that type of product. It just takes it back to a nice matte finish. DeoWax, 4-in-1, clean, polish, wax and air freshener. Then we turn to the other star of the DeoMix show. Fantastic product, we all introduced it this year. This is Ritorno, as it's pronounced in Italian, and Ritorno, translated into English, means return, because this product will return plastics and rubber to their original state, okay? So it cleans, and it also puts a protector on there as well. This is only for use on what we call untreated plastics and rubbers, like tyres, on your trims, on your mirrors, on all your plastics that are untreated. It's no good on painted plastics. It's the untreated plastics that go grey. If you look at the video of our transit van, it turned our horrible grey faded bumpers into brand new black, and just with that one product. Now, the good thing about this product is, and our competitors hate us for this bit, we formulated this product because with this type of product, you can only use it on the outside. Number one, because it stinks. It stinks of kerosene. This is a petroleum-based product, so it limits us to what you do. Plus, it's greasy. Other people's are greasy. These are the two things we looked at when we developed this product. It is non-greasy, so you can use it on any surface, inside or outside the vehicle, and it doesn't smell it. If anything, it's got a nice little twang of lemon to it, so it's not offensive inside the vehicle. Okay, so it just brings plastics and rubbers back to life. It really does. Great product, very popular product. Ritorno, the second best product we have. You know what I mean. Then we move on to another favourite. This is our alloy wheel cleaner, but it's called non-acid alloy wheel cleaner for the simple reason there's no acid in it. They're going to be eventually banning the acids that clean the wheel brake dust. This commercial users will be able to use it, but private people won't be able to use it eventually. So we've formulated this, and it's a non-acid product. It's alkaline based, so it's the opposite side end of the scale. It's a very strong product, and you need to wear gloves and, well, even eye protection, maybe even a mask, especially if you're daft because you're pig ugly. But no, you sort of spray this on to brake dust, you know, on your vehicle wheels. It is only designed to use on coated alloys. Do not use this on bare metal alloys. It will knacker them. It really will. It's for painted alloys or lacquered alloys, alloy wheels and things like that. Okay, spray it on, leave it a few moments. It takes a bit longer to clean than the acid used to, but it's worth it because you're not spraying acid around. Little agitation if you want with a brush, and then just wash it off, and you'll find it does a cracking job. That is our Deomix non-acid wheel cleaner. So this is more for summer use because it removes, you know, the tar spots you get on your vehicle at the front. Can't move them. People say, yeah, usually it won't move. It won't move it. You'll be ages. This product, and it's a single raw material product, and it's renowned worldwide for doing this particular job. It will get rid of tar. It melts tar. And it will clear. You know when you pull the stickers off a van or a vehicle and it leaves that glue residue? This is the gear. Just dab it on, leave it, then wipe it off. You might have to do it a couple of times, but this is magic at that. Don't be fooled by buying expensive products that say they're magic. They're not. It's just this product, okay? It's a single raw material product. That's our Presto tar and glue remover. Moving on to lavare, as it's pronounced in Italian, and it means wash. So it is a wash and wax, just like you used to put. Don't do that because there's salt in. You don't want that to scratch your paintwork now, do you? So this is the product, and this is a high quality cleaner, and also it has got added wax in there. Okay, so it's a wash and wax, and you literally pour some into a warm water bucket with warm water, stir it in, wash the vehicle by hand. We'd recommend you pressure wash it off first if you've got one to get rid of any real heavy contamination, and then wash it with this. Ideally, dry the vehicle after you've washed it with this product with, say, a chamois leather, and then if you really want to go the full hog, like a lot of the lads do, and if they've got the time to do it, is then dry it off with a microfiber and buff it up, and it really comes up with a great shine. It's got wax in there, so it cleans and waxes. So that's our Lavare wash and wax. So moving on, this is Deomix Vidia glass cleaner. Great product, really good product. This is not like any other glass cleaner on the market. because we buy so many tens of thousands of solvents and alcohols to put in other bulk products like screen wash, cleaners, different things like that, we buy literally thousands and thousands of litres of them. So we get it at a very good price. In glass cleaner, one of the main products is the alcohol again. Like the sanitizer, it's the same alcohol. But this product, unlike the other competition, like to put 5 or 10% of that alcohol in there, because that's what helps it smear off. Okay, it's smear free. This is up to 50%, people. 50% alcohol in this product, and that's why it's such a fantastic glass cleaner. And people really talk about this one like it's the nuts, honestly. So spray it on, wipe it off with a microfiber, clean inside or out. Clean your mirrors, your glass, your windscreen, everything else. Really good product. One tip. If you're cleaning the inside of your vehicle or your cab or whatever, open the doors, because it is quite a strong solventy smell there because of the high alcohol. But that's Deomix Videa Glass Cleaner. Last but not least is our Halo. Halo is a general purpose cleaner degreaser. I'll tell you who loves this, the agriculture and plant lads. Geordie over in Jersey mixes this with his Nuki Brown. All right, Mara? Seriously, this is a cracking product. It cleans and it degreases. It literally melts grease. Like if you've got build-up of grease and dirt and whatever, you can use it as a general vehicle cleaner outside. You can even put it on with a pressure washer. We've got people buying this in 25 litres. Try it. The thing about this product is you don't use it neat. You use it with either a spray bottle or you mix it down. At least 1 to 10, maybe 1 to 5. You get this bottle in the kit free, by the way. It's a good quality trigger sprayer. And if you can see on there, it actually tells you the markings where to fill up to for the different jobs. So for instance, the first one, which is like 100 ml, and then fill it with water, that gives you your standard cleaner degreaser. So it's just a case of trial and error, really, dependent on the job. Always test on a small area first anyway. But Halo is a cracking product. Customers love it. Once they're on it, it really is a good product. Deomix Halo. And then we come on to the little additions that we've put in the kit that you need in the kit, really, to do the job. If you're going to valet a vehicle inside and outside, nice little touch. This is what we call a detailing brush. Very, very soft bristles, what's known as PBT bristles. Very high quality man-made bristle, but very long lasting. The good thing about this is it won't scratch, so it's really soft on the end. It's in a nylon thing, so the bristles won't come out. It'll last you a lifetime. Great product for cleaning out your air vents and things like that, or any way you get crap and you can't get it out. Yeah, so you get one of those in the kit now, and also you get 2 of these microfiber cloths. Now these aren't your namby-pamby domestic microfiber cloths. These are your serious commercial grade heavy duty cloths. These are great for all types of cleaning and polishing. We've put a blue one in there and we've put a yellow one in there for the simple reason, this is how I like to do it, you don't have to. The blue one I use for my general cleaning, and it gets pretty shitty, and that's your first stage cloth, if you like. And the second stage is for buffing and what have you, and it tends to stay clean, the yellow one does, if you're just buffing after, you know, cleaning and drying. These are washable. You just wash them in a normal washing machine. Don't use fabric softener though, because you'll knacker up the fibres, and it'll just make them all matte and flat. So you can tumble dry them after. So yeah, great product. So there we have it. It's the Deomix trial kit, basically. You buy all these different products, you give them a good go, and then when you realise that you like them, you can then sort of start buying them in 5 litre containers. we tend not to sell product in the 500ml like other competitors. I'll tell you for why. Because it's a very expensive way of going on. You spend 5, 6, 7, 10 quid on a 500ml in a shop, and you don't need to do that. You can buy that product, for instance, our Deo Wax product, and it actually makes 10 of them. And for 15 quid, it'll not cost you 6 quid for one of them, it'll cost you £1.50. It's a no-brainer. So you try the product that you like, and then you buy the 5 litre after, depending on what you want to buy. A lot of people do that. With every 5 litre that you buy, your first one you buy, you get a trigger bottle anyway, spray bottle, and also a free cloth in our eBay store. So it's a no-brainer. Don't be buying 500ml. Waste of time, waste of money. These are direct to you, trade prices. At 15 quid, we'll make 10 of those. Think about it. £1.50 each, 500ml, that you're spending 5, 6, 7, 8 quid on other products when you don't need to. Anyway, that's enough from me. I'm Uncle Albert. You can contact me if you need to on Twitter, if you've got any technical questions or just to tell me how good looking I am, really. And it's I'm at DeoMix1. That's my personal account there. You can email me at info@deomix.com. You can also get your online catalogue at info@deomix.com. Just request off our website there, and we'll send you through the catalogue. It's got all the products in it, explains exactly what they do. If you need any help or anything, just drop me a tweet or just drop me an email, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you've got. So that's me signing out for today. It's been great speaking to you all, and stay safe.